These are some serious cables right here that put a shame to anything else on the market. What's up, guys? I'm the Onion Guy, and these are Nomad's new collection of Kevlar cables. Now, this is my third time recording this video because of various issues that I've had recording it. So, I hope I don't sound bored in the video. It's my third time recording it, though. These are good cables. I want to get that point out across first, so you know if I sound bored in this video, it's just because I've recorded this many times because I've had many problems in getting this video out. So, these are Nomad's 3 cables that they sent me. They sent me these, and before I start, it is a big shout out to Nomad for sending these cables out to me for review. Like always, all opinions are my own. So these are the 3 cables they sent out to me. They sent out to me the USB-C to Lightning cable, the USB-C cable, and the universal cable. This has USB-C, Lightning, and a micro USB all in one cable, which I think is really cool. I've already opened these because, like I said, I already did the video 3 times. I have the USB-C one plugged in right over here, which we'll take a look at so you guys can see the quality of this thing. This thing is super great quality. It is crazy. I'm pretty sure it's like a metal on the top here. Very nice. It is a braided Kevlar, and it's very sturdy. I don't feel scared doing this. With any other cable, I would not want to do that, but with this one, I don't feel scared doing that because of the Kevlar working, and the actual design of this cable is really good. So, let's talk about a few things on these cables. These cables have, obviously, the most obvious thing is the Kevlar. They have both a Kevlar outer lining. Let's just flip over this back so you can see it here. They have a Kevlar outer lining, and they have a central Kevlar core on the inside that gives it some of its strength and everything. So that gives it its strength, which should be a very big plus for, cables that you might just want to throw into a bag. That will be going around, and they'll be in the bottom of the bag, and stuff will get pushed on top of it, and stuff will mess around with it. You shouldn't be worried that these cables are going to get rips or tears in them because of this Kevlar inner working in the cable, and as well as on the outside of the cable to keep it protected. Has the Kevlar. It also has a thick RF shield for fast sync and a thick moisture barrier, which is always helpful because you don't want your cables to get wet. Unlike other cables who say their cables are very tough and very good at not breaking, these do offer, as you can see, a 5-year warranty. So they put their money where their mouth is. Nomad is really good with that. I think most Nomad products have a good warranty on them. So Nomad will put their money where their mouth is, and they'll say, hey, our cables are very strong, and if you don't experience the same thing, if you break it, we will replace it for you. I'm pretty sure that's the case. You have to send an email to support@hellonomad.com, and they will work with you on the problems you have with it. So if we look at the USB-C cable, which is right here, the USB-C cable has 100 watt USB-C PD charging, up to 100 watts. For fast charging, which is good because who doesn't need fast charge? So this is a fast charging cable. Both these cables over here are fast charging cables, and this one gives you up to 100 watts. I don't think we've ever seen a device, a phone specifically, with 100 watt fast charging, but if that happens, you'll have the cable to do that. Right now, I'm pretty sure we're at 45 is the highest. I think I saw maybe it was Oppo with a 65 watt fast charging phone coming soon, but I think right now we're at 45 is the highest. So this goes up to 100 watts USB PD, and the Lightning cable goes up to 18 watts, which right now is the highest for iPhone, so that makes a lot of sense. You got your 18 watts for iPhone, and you'll have to partner that with a USB-D power brick, like the one I have over here plugged in. So you can partner it up with something like this, which is sold on Apple's website. I'll put the price here somewhere over here. I'll have a link for that in the description down below. There's many other better alternatives in my opinion, but if you're just going to go Apple and you want to just go Apple, that is the Apple USB-C power brick, the USB PD power brick, which is the one you're going to need to work with this USB-C, because this is a Lightning to USB-C cable, not Lightning to USB-A cable. So you'll need the USB-C powered brick, and you'll need to have the USB PD for the fast charging, which is very important when you're getting iPhones because, well, you don't get the fast charger in a box. Actually, well, now you do. If you go with the 11 Pros this year, you do get the fast charger in the box, but generally you wouldn't get the fast charger in the box. So it's important to actually have the fast charger, like to get a good cable that's not going to keep breaking. Very important. And then lastly, taking a look at the universal cable. What's not to like about this cable? This cable is probably the cable, well, it is the cable right now that I have in my bag, because it has everything on it. I only need to carry one cable because we got the lightning, we got the micro USB down there, and we got the USB-C. Very important to carry all three of those, but also a lot of people hate carrying around all the cables. So this has all three built into one, which is something I actually really like. And I think this is a cable that a lot of people should have on them, because you never know when you only need one of those cables, and by having a universal cable, you will always have one of those cables. I think that's very important, and I really like the idea. I have not seen another company have something like this, but I'm sure something may exist somewhere, but this is the first time I've seen it, so good job, Nomad, at exposing me to the very interesting form factor of 3 cables in one. I really like that one. So the lightning cable over here retails for $39.95 with the 1.5mm version. Yes, I know a lot of you are going to say that that is about $16 or so more than if you buy Apple's USB-C to lightning cable. But this cable, unlike Apple's, if you ever own an Apple cable, you know that those cables break all the time. This one really shouldn't, and has the 5-year warranty to match the fact that it really shouldn't. Then we move over to the USB Type-C cable. This cable retails for $29.95. That's a good price for most USB-C cables from a good brand, especially with this good Kevlar material. $29.95 is not a bad price. And then we go over to the universal, and this is also $39.95. I'm sure that those price increases have something to do with the made for iPhone and the lightning cable being owned by Apple, so you have to license it from them. So those are the Kevlar cables. I really think they're really good cables, and the Kevlar seems it's going to hold up for a long time. The cables all seem very sturdy, and I would definitely recommend picking up a pair of these. I would especially recommend picking up the universal version, because, again, who wouldn't want universal? It's very sturdy here, and I don't think that this one's gonna get all messed up at the edge like most, Apple cables do. So I would definitely recommend these 3 cables and many more variations that Nomad currently has on their website. I will put all links in the description down below for these 3, as well as just regular cables from Nomad. Right now, Nomad is doing a thing with I forget what charity it's with, but it's with a charity to save environment, something to do with the environment, where if you donate a certain amount of money, you do get a free, I think if you donate $5, you get a Nomad cable for free, which is pretty cool. Not any of these, of course, but it is one of Nomad's cables you get for free. If you donate $5, then why not, right? You're going to donate, it's going to go to a good cause, and then you get a fun Nomad cable. So anyway, guys, thanks for watching this video. All links will be down in the description below if you are interested. Thanks again for watching, and the review out.